trig again, 3.4 and 3.5 as a matter of fact, the sine and cosine law. We're going to look at another question that if we use the old method without using the sine law and the cosine law, what we have to do, we have to drop a vertical from here and then connect to there. Make this a 90 degree since it's a vertical. And we'll call this X and we'll call this H. So to start answering this, the first one is very easy. Angle C, you have a triangle, you're given two angles, 110 and 120. To find the third angle, just go 180 minus 110 minus 20 degrees, and that will give you 50 degrees. So therefore, this angle here is 50 degrees. And then to find the other unknowns, B and A, to find B and A, that should say A there, it's not as easy. So now we're gonna work with the right angle triangle resorting to SOHCAHTOA. So I could say tan 20 equals H over, so tan is opposite over adjacent, and the adjacent will be 10 plus X. Also, we could find out what this angle is because angles on a line, they equal 180, so this should be 70 degrees. Now I'm going to develop another equation and say tan 70 degrees equals the height over X. What I'll do, I'm going to solve both of these equations for H. So just cross multiply. So you'll have 10 plus X in brackets, tan 20 equals, I'm going to cross multiply this into here as well. So, and that will give me X tan 70. Maybe I'll just, what I'm going to do, I'm just not going to go as fast as. So that equals H, and then X tan 70 equals H. Now we could use the method of substitution. So since H equals this, I'm going to replace this H by that, and then we have 10 plus X tan 20 would equal, instead of H, we're substituting this for H right here, so X tan 70. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the X here and I bring the tan 20 there, so cross multiply. And if you cross multiply 10 plus X over X equals tan 70 over tan 20. So what I did, I cross multiplied the tan 20, so since it's on the top, it goes to the bottom of tan 70. And I cross multiplied the X, since it's on top here, it goes to the bottom of 10 plus X. Now, 10 plus X over X equals tan 70 divided by tan 20, and that will give me Where is my calculator? There we go. Tan 70 divided by tan 20 equals 7.54 or 55. Now what I'm gonna do, cross multiply the x into there, and then I'll have 10 plus x equals 7.55x. And I'm gonna move this x to the other side, so I'll have 10 equals 7.55x minus this x, which gives me 10 equals 6.55x. Divide both sides by 6.55, and therefore x equal, divide 1.5 1.53. And therefore now we know this is 1.53, this part right here. The x is 1.53, which makes all of this 11.53. Now we could solve for A and could solve for B. So if I want to find B, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna solve for, I'll solve for B. So since I know this side here, which is 1.53, then I could go cosine 70 equals 1.53 over B. And therefore, B would equal, so B goes there and cos 70 comes where the B is. So 1.53 over cos 70, which equals, calculator, 4.47. And then to find A, I'm gonna go cos 20 equals adjacent, which is now, we're looking at this big triangle right here, and the adjacent is 11.53 all over the hypotenuse is A. So if you look at this big triangle right here, the hypotenuse is A, and therefore A equals 11.53 divided by cos 20. And I'm just gonna do that in my calculator. So 11.53 divided by cos 20 equals 12.26 or 12.27. And therefore, this is the answer for B right here, which is question 2. And here's the answer for question 3. And this question is done. Next time, I'm going to solve this using the sine and cosine law. Depends on which one works for it. And you'll see how much faster and easier it is. Till next time, stay safe. Thanks for watching.